This is not one of those videos about being consistent. There are certain things that I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is about things that I wish I knew before I started my channel. I know we've all seen those videos about being consistent. This is not one of those videos about being consistent. There are certain things that I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel. And yeah, being consistent is also one of it. But before I get into being consistent, there are certain things that I should have been able to perfect before I actually started my channel. Number one on the list is finding your niche. Obviously, it was going to be a lifestyle channel, sharing my business and my day-to-day activities, and also some very useful, informative kind of information with my audience. So yeah, I knew I wanted to do that, but I really did not signify my niche. I didn't identify my niche. Yes, it was a lifestyle, but there are different type of lifestyle. We have fitness lifestyle, we have sport lifestyle, we have different kind of lifestyle vlogs out there, and we know they all come on YouTube vlog lifestyle. We're all aware of that lifestyle, but I actually didn't identify what my lifestyle was going to be about. I mean, a woman sharing her home with you is also a lifestyle vlog. To have a focus on what your channel will be about, and that focus is what you're going to drive in your channel. I mean, after 3 years of starting my channel, I think I just figured out what my focus basically. You can have more than one focus actually, but you should have an ultimate goal. And I think after 3 years of starting my channel, I just figured out, okay, this is what I want my focus and my ultimate goal to be about my channel. So yeah, that's number one thing, finding your niche. Number two is reaching your audience and also your competitors. Before starting before starting my channel, I did try to analyze my competitors, but I really didn't do any in-depth analysis. It was more like, oh, I like how this girl makes a video, I want to do my videos like her videos. I think identifying your competitors would also help you know what kind of content to really put out if you're also trying to get into that audience. I mean, there's for them to have like 3 million, 2 million subscribers, there's something they are doing, and they're doing right, that those audiences are attracted to. So finding what those audiences are attracted to, finding your competitors and studying what they are doing and what they are doing well, and what you think you can incorporate in your own video, because at the end of the day, your video is your video, and you should do what you feel comfortable about. Number three is creating content strategy. This takes me back to being consistent. Yes, I'm sure you've seen the consistent sorry for using air quotes, about being consistent. Sometimes you're like, I'm trying to be consistent and there's still no growth in my video. I don't try, tire. And there's still no growth in my video, and you're like, what are you saying? For me personally, I wasn't really consistent. I guess because my video wasn't doing so well, I just laid back and I just kept doing what I was doing. Yes, when I started my channel, I was in school. I was about to graduate from the uni. Yes, so at that point I was kind of busy with school, final year, whatever. So when I finished from school, I wanted to actually take my vlogging serious, but then my business was also there besides vlogging and all of that. So I was kind of laying back because I had a business that I was trying to grow by the special grace of God. But it wasn't so easy for me, but I could have still been consistent. That's why I say create content strategy. I could have figured, I mean, we have 365 days. I won't say I used that whole 365 days to maybe work on myself or work on my business or work on this or work on that. I could have still made out time, make out time for posting on my channel, but I really didn't do that. That was just it. I didn't create time. I'm not doing. I lock up. I just did. Do you understand? So me going forward, I am trying to create. So that's why I'm trying to analyze my niche very well, so that even if I'm not able to vlog per se, there is something I can still put out there to kind of keep my channel going. So yeah, creating a content strategy, you know, how many times you post in a week, what kind of videos you want to keep posting, or what's your Nigeria, they go shame you, they go shame you. We all like that alarm shot. So anyways, yeah, so that's aside. Number 4 is your equipment. Okay, I would have started my channel earlier than I did, but I was like, I want to get a camera, I did get a camera actually, but my camera don't break. I did get a camera one time. I think it was last year. Something happened to the camera actually, so I'm back to my phone. I'm actually vlogging right now on my phone, and it's okay. So I think your equipment matters, because we all are attracted to what we see. If I see a very good quality video, I would click on it than a video that's low quality. I would be more drawn to that video that has good lighting, good sound, and you know, the picture quality looks very good. Actually, I'm vlogging right now with my phone, and I'm actually just sitting by the window. So when I say invest in your equipment, it's not by going to buy one big camera or buying, you know, one ring light or whatever. For now, you can start with your phone, and you can just sit close to the window. Natural light is one of the best lights. We've heard it before, and it's actually true. I'm actually sitting in front of my window, and the weather is not so good, but it's doing justice to the video. So that's that. Number 5 is optimize your video and search. You need to optimize your channel. You need to optimize your video, and you need to optimize your channel search, because you might think it doesn't mean, but I think I have seen a little progress in some of my videos. I went back to YouTube Studio to edit some of my videos, the description, the title, and I did see a couple of more views on those videos. So optimizing your videos, such as title, description, and tags, those things really help. I have tried it. Listen, look at me, listen. Linda, listen, it dey work. So yes, I've tried it, and I'm seeing some progress. I'm still experimenting, and I hope by His grace that it works out well for me, and I'm able to come back here and share my journey with you. Anyways, so yeah, the next one is promote your video. If you have like massive following, if you have about 1,000 Instagram followers, there are chances that 500 will, you know, click, 100 will click, 10 will even click. So posting your videos on your story, you know, putting the link there on your bio, a couple of people might click, you know. So promoting your videos on your social media platform could help also make your videos blow up. Last but not the least, be patient and persistent. I'm trying to do that. I did try. Yeah, so be patient and persistent. You know, let's keep doing what we know how to do best. I love sitting in front of my phone, hoping I'm talking to a particular set of people. As much as you all have our own day-to-day activities, life, business, school, whatever you have going on for yourself already, if you also really love to, you know, share that which you have going already, you could also share that. So I don't want to use like, oh, I was busy with my business, I was trying to grow my business, I was trying to grow my career. I'm trying to be patient and persistent now, because this is also one of the things I actually love and enjoy doing. And at the end of the day, it's God's help, God's favor, God's guidance, God's mercy, you know. So hopefully by his grace that there is some sort of positive outcome, and that by the grace of God, I'll come back here and share on my channel. But till then, I'm still going to keep pushing out content, keep enjoying myself, doing what I know how to do best, and hopefully my YouTube channel gets the, you know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please do like, please do share, and also please subscribe. It's just there. Just click subscribe and let's get it going. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Remember, there is no condemnation in Christ Jesus. Jesus is the only way. I love you.